Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Ankr price prediction and Ankr news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Ankr in 2022. Ankr is an Ethereum token powered by the Ankr WEB3 infrastructure platform, which serves as a decentralized financial platform for cross-chain staking. It is designed to make working in the blockchain ecosystem simple and affordable. In it, you can create decentralized applications, run nodes and participate in staking. The Ankr token is used to pay for services on the Ankr platform, such as API services and node deployment, and also acts as insurance for network members, and allows participation in blockchain governance. The Ankr network was founded in 2017 at the University of California at Berkeley as a distributed computing platform that takes advantage of blockchain technology. Co-founder Chandler Song was an engineer at Amazon Web Services and is now CEO of Ankr, while co-founder Ryan Fang was an investment banker at Morgan Stanley. They added. Digital asset investment firm CoinShares and crypto exchange FTX announced a partnership to launch a physically backed Solana, SOL, exchange-traded product, ETP, which will launch with SOL 1 meter, United States dollars 95 meters, and seed capital. This financial firm Ankr will allow customers to use this app to invest up to 5% of their portfolio in Bitcoin, BTC, via an exchange-traded fund, ETF, per Reuters. The firm will determine what percentage of a customer's portfolio can be put in Bitcoin based on their investment profile, and the percentage ranges from a conservative 1% exposure to an aggressive 5% exposure, they added. A new crypto venture fund called DAO5 raised United States dollars 125 meters, with plans to convert to a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, by 2025, per Forbes. The average investment will fall between United States dollars 500,000 and United States dollars 2 meters, and will go to seed and pre-seed stage companies and projects within the crypto and blockchain industry, per the report. Canadian financial technology company Mogo announced the formation of Mogo Ventures to manage its existing investments and strategic partners and companies that support Mogo's ecosystem. This includes a 39% stake in crypto exchange CoinSquare, investments in major and emerging crypto and WEB3 platforms including Gemini, NFT Trader, and Tetra Trust, investments in Bitcoin and Ethereum, ETH, and investments in gaming companies including Enthusiast Gaming and 11 Gaming. Gaming studios look to integrate with Web 3.0. Along with NFTs, game developers can build monetization strategies around launching a token connected to a network of validators and nodes, powering the transactions in their game, a revenue model that is just starting to take shape this year with studios like Gala Games. Ankr looks to keep providing additional features for the future of Gamefi, evolving their gaming SDK package, as per the industry needs to come. Gottman added, Ankr is deeply committed to building the industry-leading features and the infrastructure truly needed for developers to succeed. We are making it cheaper, easier and more accessible for everyone to win with Web 3.0. Ankr, a multi-blockchain infrastructure provider, today announced it has launched a new software development kit, SDK, that makes it easy for game developers to integrate WEB3 and crypto capabilities. The new Ankr Unity SDK gives game developers everything they need to create a blockchain-based game, from best-in-class WEB3 in 170,000 before the pandemic to 1.98 meters as of January. 4 qualities of digital dollar, crypto mortgages, Polkadot's fund, Solana ETP more news investments News Manta Network, Akala, and 7 other Polkadot, DOT, Parachain, other chains attached to Polkadot's main chain. Teams said they have partnered to launch a United States $250 meters OST ecosystem fund to support early-stage startups building application most decentralized manner possible. What is the Ankr X Pocket partnership? Ankr and Pocket are 2 of the most innovative organizations responsible for providing the most foundational layer of WEB3 node infrastructure. We are beginning to mesh our infrastructure so that the thousands of builders, wallets, and dApps interacting with blockchains via our RPC services reach a diverse and high-performance pool of nodes. Ankr further decentralizes our protocol as Ankr continues to decentralize our infrastructure and diversify node providers. Our partnership with Pocket is a move to solidify our shift to serve WEB3 as a more collaborative protocol versus a centralized company. Ankr protocol will also become even more distributed as Pocket nodes are in diverse locations globally, giving users anywhere the lowest latency connections possible. Pocket Network serves more traffic than ever. Ankr protocol serves a hefty volume of blockchain requests coming from developers and dApps around the world, with an average of 6 billion per day across 15 chains. Pocket's nodes are now serving blockchain requests coming through our protocol to both the IATEX and Harmony chains. The more traffic that Pocket Network serves, the better it is for their native token, POCT. This gives a big boost to their economy of developers, token holders, and node providers. The integrations for minting, renting and trading NFTs for any assets in a development environment. Mobile Web 3.0 optimization. Players get the most responsive and enjoyable mobile experience. Create seamless multi-chain experiences. Games detect and connect to multiple chains. Switch between them just as fast. Launch and distribute game tokens allows studios to create an in-game currency and spread it to players around the world. Greg Gottman, Chief Marketing and Business Development Officer of Ankr, said, "Gaming studios are looking for a way to jump into Web 3.0 without having to worry about security, infrastructure and the complexity of doing it on their own. Ankr now offers an industry-leading solution to provide them with the infrastructure and monetization strategies they've been looking for to experiment with Web 3.0 without having to leave the game development environments they're used to." An estimated 10% of Web 3.0 projects rely on Ankr's enterprise-grade global node infrastructure, now a number they aim to increase as the GAMEFI space heats up. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Ankr will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2026, ANKR is expected to peak at 42 cents. The minimum bet could go up to 35 cents if the market turns bullish. Ankr Course Prediction 2027. ANKRs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Ankr, the price could rise much higher. By 2027, it may reach a maximum value of 60 cents. ANKR is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2027 could end with an average price of 52 cents, a minimum price of 51 cents, and a maximum price of 60 cents. ANKR Rate Prediction 2028. ANKR will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Ankr rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2028, the Ankr rate will be almost 73 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 88 cents. Ankr average price forecast for the end of 2028 could be around 75 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. ANKR Price Prediction 2029. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term ANKR price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2029 could end with an average bid of $1.11 and a minimum bid of $1.08. The maximum bet is expected to be around $1.27. ANKR Price Prediction 2030. The value of Ankr will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2030 is bullish. ANKR is expected to reach a maximum rate of $1.86 by the end of 2030, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Ankr's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of ANKR will be between $1.62 and $1.67 expected in 2030 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum price of ANKR ranges from $1.36